everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe, and if you already are, thank you so much for tuning in to this video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I pack my Azaria Petite. I was so excited when I saw that they were going to release a Petite. I've never had an Azaria before. So many times I really don't want to carry a bigger bag. This has to be one of my favorite bags ever. I did get it in the French blue and it's just so nice. I was a little scared I wasn't really gonna like the silver hardware, even though I really do like it in general, but I don't know, when I saw it on this blue I was like, I have to have it. It's so cute and it's so little, but it's not too little, so you can fit quite a few stuff in it. I will say though that if you are an overpacker and you're packing for multiple kids, this probably won't work out for you. I feel like it might work if you have one toddler and you kind of overpack a few things. So before this intro gets any longer, let's just jump right into it. So I'm going to start with this zipper right here. I do have a fob by Andrea. This was a gift, so I like to add it on all of my bags. So in this zipper pocket, I will say that it kind of is hard to push it all the way up. You can pull it up to here, but going past that, it's a little tough to get it up there. I don't know if it's just a defect with my zippers, but this pocket goes all the way across the bag. This is where I put my phone. So you do have two bottle pockets on the side. On this side, I do have a replay sippy cup. Since I do have the inside kind of stuffed, it's a little bit hard to get that in there, but it does fit. In the front here, you do have a magnetic closure, which I really like. And in here, I have a Wipey Clutch by A Modern Amour. And then I do have an Honest Company hand sanitizer spray. I do have a grab handle here at the top. On the back, you also do have a slip pocket. You do have backpack straps, which are detachable and you can stuff them in here when you're not using them. It does have two D-rings for a messenger strap. I love that it does have two zipper pulls. So this is what the inside of my bag looks like. I feel like this bag is really functional with just the interior organization that it has. So I feel like this would be best packed without any set pieces or pouches or anything like that. I have seen people put pouches in them. For me personally, I don't like my bags looking super bulky. So right here in the main compartment, I do have a large set piece, and in here I have all my diaper and essentials. So this is what the inside looks like without that large set piece in the middle. You do have a key leash, which I have my keys attached when I am out and about to leave it hanging out, and then I just zip it up, and in case I need my keys, I can just easily reach behind me and grab them. Here you do have a slip pocket. I know in the original size, this pocket is magnetic. I have this adorable little book that I got when we went to the beach. I just think it's so cute. So that is everything that I have in here. I can definitely fit another book or some play packs in here. And then back here in this zipper pocket, I like how deep the pocket is. Here I just have a super bib, and then I have a silicone mat. I don't have any snacks in here at the moment. You can definitely fit some snacks in. So you do have two mesh pockets on the side. On this side, I have a pair of socks. I have an 18 to 24 month romper from Romper Addicts. And I also have JUJUBE Be Dry in there. In this side pocket, I have small set piece in whimsical watercolor, and in here I just have a JUJUBE coin purse with some pills, and then I have a whole bunch of makeup. And then I also have hand lotion and a Sensible Mama pen gel. So you do have a long mesh pocket right here at the front. And in here I have the messenger strap in case I want to carry it crossbody. I have a charging block and a charging cord. I have another small set piece in Queen of the Jungle as my wallet. I'm just going to repack everything back. So that is how I have my Azaria bag packed up. I'm thinking that I might want to get another one. It's like the perfect size for the stage that I'm at right now. I'm thinking once I potty train and stuff, I might need a little bit of more stuff. We'll just see where it goes. But I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Remember that I always try and leave down below in the description bar any products that I mentioned in the video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye guys.